It doesn't matter how much you spend on an instrument. It could be something you bought offline or something bought from a master. But we're definitely going to talk about something that unites most, if not all, cellos, and it's the wolf tone. It's like fighting. I'm in tune. There it is. Now it's really fighting me. Hear that? It's and if you were to do this on your instrument, F sharp, there it is. F natural. And you'll hear if it's F natural or E, can be here in the 4th position area or here in 1st position D string. And you'll find going between these 3 notes where this violent vibration is. And I want you to be aware of the inside of your leg on the side of your cello. And it's going to be in this area right here. It's going to violently vibrate. And it's going to just, it's going to make it crazy. It's just the whole instrument's going to be like, no, don't play the note. So I'm going to do it again up here because it's really obvious. The E sounds fine. Now F sharp. So it needs to be tamed. It's an acoustical anomaly of our instrument. And I'm not a luthier, but it's my understanding that it's just the way that the frequencies bounce in and out inside of your instruments. And in this particular region, they start to not attack each other, but they mix in a weird way. There's many different solutions, and the quick solution that I had is to find yourself a wolf tone dampener. Now this one is one right here, and this one is solid brass. This is the one I recommend. Do not get anything else. And the reason why you want something like this is because this is simple. It can be transferred from instrument to instrument, and it's easy to install. There's other ones I'll one time talk about on the channel that they look like this. They have little screws and they're terrible. You want the solid brass one. 11 grams to 13 grams. Anything less than 9 grams you can probably get away with. I use it for the children, but 11 grams standard for full size. Again, just to prove a point, watch this. Not moving my finger. Taking it, the dampener, 11 grams, placing it on the G string, just below the bridge. It's gone. That is a wolf tone. And all good instruments have one. All instruments have one. Most of them have one. And now this area of the cello is a lot less rebellious. All right, try it.